Hey there, YouTube. Well, definitely got an oldie. Health-Mor. This is the condition it's in. Pretty sad. Picked it for $1 yesterday. Can't really tell what's on here. It's all corroded and rusted. But it came with the hose and the vaporizer, so I've only seen one other of these on YouTube. Original bag. Start up. This thing is so old, it's not even funny. But I found my password. Whoa, crap. Well, sometimes it happens too. Found my password to my YouTube account though, so comes in handy. Man, gotta come more prepared for this stuff. Let's plug it in. Oh yeah, I picked this up the other day too. Works nice. Came with power head. Let's plug this thing in. Runs perfectly though. Ah, gosh, if I can get this thing open. Metal fan blade. So, anyways, well, I decided I'd make another video since I found my freaking password. So, anyways, hope you remembered what I have. I got this now, and my oil, so. They look pretty similar. I don't know. Anyways, I guess you can request whatever you want me to do, because I found my password, so I can do whatever you want me to do now, so. Alright, see ya.